Hi, NIH BioArt is a great resource for free scientific illustrations for biology researchers. There is something that not many researchers are aware of. You can see there is a section called brushes. So if you go there, you can find brushes for Adobe Illustrator, which are very powerful in my opinion. For example, you can see now the collection is limited, but I will also show you how you can create your own brushes. Brushes opens up a lot of possibilities. For example, the tool which is known as BioRender for scientific illustration has a lot of brushes, which makes the tool very powerful. It is a paid tool. Let me show you quickly BioRender brushes. Basically, you can draw a line using a pen. But if you have a pattern, you can use brushes. So for example, here you can see there is a line of cells. So in this case, they have a brush which made of these cells. So they can simply draw whatever pattern that they are looking for. You can see a lipid bilayer here. And that's how it goes. You can use the same method in Adobe Illustrator. First, let me show you how you can quickly download a brush. So let me quickly open Adobe Illustrator, and let's start with this brush. I'll click on this download button. By the way, the link to this web page I will add in the description. Click here and you can see AI, which means Adobe Illustrator. Don't get confused with AI, artificial intelligence. It's not. It is Adobe Illustrator. And go to downloads, click on save, and now I'll open Adobe Illustrator. It is taking time. Meanwhile, let me open, for example, this one. It is downloading. The idea is when you have repeating patterns, you could convert that as a brush. Okay, so let me download a couple of brushes like this so that it will be easy for us. I'll open Adobe Illustrator, click create. By the way, you will not be able to use this particular brush in any other software. It is optimized for Adobe Illustrator. It is a paid tool. It is the go-to standard for creating scientific illustrations. Okay, go to window and there you can find brushes. And let me move this here and I'll expand this window. And here when you click on this menu, you can find option to create new brushes. You need to click here and go to open brush library and click on other library and go to the download location, and let me choose the brush that we have downloaded. So one brush is here, and let me open other two as well. Again, click here, open brush library, other brush library, go to downloads, and I will select both and click open. Now we have three brushes here, DNA brush. Okay, that's all. Now let's draw a line. I'll click here and choose pencil tool, and I will draw a simple line. Now we have a line. Now the idea is simply select, the brush, and it will be applied on that line. Look at this. How cool is that? Now you have a pattern of DNA. You can use it, to create any patterns. So I'll simply draw random lines like this, and I can select all the lines and choose the brush. See, that's how it goes. You could even use shapes. So let me draw a circle like this and select the brush. Now look at that. Yeah, that's all. And if you change the brush to next one, let me draw a new line and select this brush. Look at that. So it is a detailed tissue. You can see from eye, right? So it is a complicated brush. The idea is you don't have to do manual work when you have repeating patterns. So it makes the job much more easy and a lot of fun to do. Let's try this brush. Nice. So let me select all the lines and select. Okay, you can find all the details here of the brush. Simply click on the brush. It will take you to the details of the brush, and you can read everything in detail. Now, how to create your own brush, right? You have something and you want to create. For example, let me draw something like this. Maybe I have a polymer. I'm not sure. Let me create something like this. Okay. So I'm creating a repeating pattern, that's all. So select everything, whatever you have drawn, and simply drag and drop inside the brush window. Drag and drop it here at the bottom, and this window will open, and click on pattern brush and click on OK. See, now it forms a pattern. Click OK. Now this has formed a new pattern, you can see here. So now I'll draw a line like this and select the line and select the brush. See, now it looks distorted. Simply reduce the thickness of the line. I'll type 0.2 or 0.08. See, now we have created a nice pattern. So that's how brushes work. You definitely need to try it out and learn about brushes in Adobe Illustrator. It is very powerful, and you can see there are many other useful brushes as well. I hope this video was helpful. I'll put the link in the description. If you have any specific requests, let me know in the chat box. See you.